Okay, so everything started when I joined JDL Performance School of Performing Arts back in Canada. And then ever since, I've been really close with the founder, Josie De Leon. And actually, in 2022, yata, she recommended me to Sir Vinny. And I'm really, really happy about that. Then I have 2 original songs, A Little Dream and My Day Will Be Okay. But it didn't properly.
You're still, what age when you record that song? I think you were only 9?
9 years old?
I did at 9 years old? Wow. And now you're 16. Yeah. Tito, was it hard, working with Shane? 16 years old, tapos may ganyang music video na?
Well, siyempre, hindi naman ganun kadali na mag-produce ng single and mag-produce ng music video. And siyempre, of course, the attitude of the talent,
yes, very important.
So nakita naman namin yung potential at saka yung dream ng bata. Kami naman dito, we always support artists na tingin natin na pwede naman natin ilamo sa merkado. And lahat naman, puro suntok sa buwan, walang assurance. But sabi nga, pag hindi mo sinubukan, talo ka na agad.
That is so true. Shane, was it hard doing My Boy? Kasi sabi mo, you had 2 singles na before, 2 songs na before. How is it different? Or how are they different to My Boy?
Okay, I would say My Boy is different because I did everything My Boy. Lahat yung music video, performance video, lyric video dito sa Pinas. And then, those 2 original songs sa Canada po. No proper recording, no proper promotion, music video, lyric video, lahat.
What was the hardest part doing My Boy? Kasi, of course, sa kanta, yung parts na, yung lyrics, yung pagsasabi ng mga lyrics na yun, or pagkakanta ng lyrics is in full Filipino, Tito Benny.
Yeah.
So was it hard for you?
100% na Tagalog song yun, but I was surprised. Nagawa niya talagang inalal ng bata, and he's really decided na magbibigyan ng justice yung song na My Boy.
May sumisigaw nun sa gilid. She has the training!
And then of course, trained by Labine. Yan.
Yeah.
So here we are.
So after working with Tito Benny, what was the hardest part? Kasi the hit maker Were you pressured doing this with Tito Benny?
Siyempre naman, I was a bit scared because I'm a small kid beginner in Canada. So I was kind of scared to live up to their standards. So
yun lang.
Pasado naman siya.
Pasado naman. Yes. Ano po ba, Tito Benny, yung attitude ni Shane doing My Boy na sabi mo, okay to, tatagal to sa industry?
Gusto ko siya kasi number 1, yung bata nag-assignment, yung bata talagang decided na gawin and then she did her part. Yung mga ensayo niya, yung mga rehearsal, and easy to work with. Yung kumbaga, pag binigyan mo siya ng instruction, nakaka-deliver naman yung bata.
The song is My Boy. Do you have anyone right now? Are you 16 years old, my crush? Ganyan? Or do you have a boyfriend?
Walang boyfriend, ayoko.
Andiyan na si Mami.
Hindi nga, kasi ito, I was very careful with the, questioning kanina earlier, di ba? But what's your inspiration doing My Boy? Aside from Tito Benny asking you to do it and sing it, what's your inspiration? Because you have to come from somewhere, di ba? To sing a song. So, what inspired you to do My Boy?
Can you still remember when you were still a kid, sabi ko sa'yo, Shane, you should come back. Kasi it's really very hard for a singer na makapenetrate at the age of 9, 10, 11, 12. Kasi what is the type of song that should be written for a 9 to 12 years old? So, hindi na pwede na i-love na or a-crush na. So, what we did is just a very simple song na parang patuitams lang, enjoy lang yung kanyang childhood.
Yes.
And then so, sabi ko, when you are ready, let's come up with something which is bagay sa present market. And then we came up with My Boy.
My Boy. So how do you expect, Shane, for fans to, react to this song? Paano mo niisip na mag-react yung mga tao makakarinig ng My Boy?
I hope they love it because we've been working on this for almost over a year now. So I hope you all like it and please continue to support me. Thank you all for coming out here again.
Yeah. But Tito, would you like to say something?
Okay na. I'm happy because finally we're launching the single and hopefully mag-viral siya, and with the help of our friends here, yung press, tulungan natin yung bata kasi ituloy natin yung dream niya na makapasok sa ating dito sa music industry.
Yeah, and with that being said, press people, the floor is now open for questions. So if ever you guys have inquiries or if you have any, questions that you'd like to throw with Tito Benny and Shane, the floor is now open. We're gonna be handing you the microphone. Hello, Sir John.
Congratulations, Shane.
Thank you po.
My question is, who's your inspirations? Do you have idols like foreign or local singers?
I would say some of my biggest inspirations po are Celine Dion, Mariah Carey, Whitney Houston, and dito sa Pinas, Regine Velasquez, and Bini.
Yeah. And how about, do you compose songs?
Actually po, for me, I don't know why, but it's hard for me to come up with lyrics only. I don't know why. I tried for how many years now. I think I need the proper training po first,
Yeah,
and then
soon.
I'll try.
Soon. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Next one, thank you.
Congratulations, Shane.
Thank you.
And my question is, growing up, what was the first song you ever performed?
I think yung masasabi mo na master ko na tong kantang to. I've sang this so many million times. So I perfected this song. Something that you can sing impromptu.
I wouldn't say perfected po because I don't think anything or anyone is perfect yet. But the first song I performed is To Love You More by Celine Dion. Ever since I was a toddler, my dad taught me how to sing. I have my talent from him, and now I'm here, so.
Can you still remember the song? Part of it.
Sample. Let's go, Shane.
I'll be waiting for you here inside my heart. I'm the one who wants to love you more.
Alright.
Thank you po.
Yeah, may idea na si Tito Benny kung anong next song na ilalabas.
I'm surprised, ganun pala kataas ang range ng bosses niya.
Yeah. Maganda yung range ng bata, yeah.
Wow.
And she's still sitting at the moment while doing the mataas na part, di ba? Okay.
My second question and last question is, how do you see yourself 5 years from now?
5 years from now, ano bang ilang taon ka na ngayon?
16.
5 years from now, you're gonna be 21. May boyfriend ka rin yan. Sigurado yun.
Mommy? So at 21, what do you plan to do? Or how do you see yourself at 21?
I hope to make it into the industry po. Hopefully, in God's will, it will happen po. But if not, I would like to study in New York for singing, the arts, ganun. So, yeah.
Arts pa rin, ha? Talagang 100%, ha?
Yeah, to fine-tune the craft. Any more questions? Yes?
Hi, Shane. Congratulations.
Thank you po.
This question is, how would you describe your musical style? And how does this single reflect your identity as an artist?
I would describe my music style as, honestly, I like everything. I love everything. I want to learn how to be versatile because, in case if someone asks you to sing this song, okay, I like it. And then, dapat versatile yung boses mo.
Yes, thank you. For the next question is for Sir Ben. Pwede niyo po bang ikwento sa amin yung naging creative process niyo, like writing, recording, and producing this track or this song?
Inaral namin yung what song should be right for Shane since dalagan din na siya. So, nagsing kami ng kwento about the young boy. Hindi naman exactly relationship, pero yung mga crush na pag... Alam naman natin yung mga kilig na kailangan ganun ang So, ang nangyayari, I did a lot of research yung bagay na pwedeng carry ng bagets. So, gano'n ang ginagawa ko every time I'm writing a song for a project.
Thank you so much and congratulations po.
Next one, thank you very much.
I'm Attorney Ton of Channel 23. Hi, I love you, kabayan. My question is, you grew up in Canada, right? Bakit hindi ka doon nag-pursue ng iyong career? Bakit dito sa Pilipinas?
I wanted to come here to Pinas because it's easier to do the stuff in person. Because the recording, I can hear what Sir Benny wants, what Tita Ladine wants, and everything, the best that I can deliver comes from the producer, the director. So it's better to do it here than in Philippines, because in Canada there's no one to help me deliver it properly, so it's better that I'm here in the Philippines. So.
Okay, my last question is, parang it's very easy for a newcomer to be known in the industry, especially if you have collab with a rapper, mga rappers. Are you open for collaboration kung sinong rapper na ito?
Opo, syempre po. Yeah, that would be such a cool dream to pursue. So I'm looking forward to that also in the future.
May naisip ka na ba kung sino ito?
Ang dami.
It's like you have a lot in mind. Okay.
There's a lot of good mga rappers na pwede natin. Yeah, why not? Why not? Kasi ang present music is of course yung tinatawag natin na Gen Z market. So,
Yes.
well, kung ano yung tingin natin which is appropriate for present. So, pag-iisipan natin yan. And we'll look for someone na pwede nating makakulab sa isang project.
Yeah, with Tito Benny being around and Tita Ladine right there, you're in the right place. Okay,
Thank you,
next.
thank you.
Thank you very much.
So, hi Shane,
Hello po, thank
congratulations.
you.
Speaking of collab, nabanggit kanina, syempre, ngayon recording ka, tapos darating ang araw, mag-concert ka. Sino ang gusto mong makakolab sa concert?
Hi.
Nadine.
I would say Beanie po because their generation is like the same as mine. We can get the same audience and build bigger fans or yung character together. So hopefully po.
Okay, thank you.
Next question, please. Thank you very much.
Hello po.
Sir, Net 25, one of PD networker in the Philippines. I would like to ask,
Okay.
you're familiar with Sir Benny, right? Big composer Sir Benny. Can you give us some songs that you want to revive na hit songs ni Sir Benny sa tour, no?
Ano yung ginagawa ko? Any of the songs na sinunod ko na kilala mo?
Maybe Till My Heart Breaks.
Saan pa?
I like
Let me say so.
Hindi ko alam yung lyrics.
Hindi wala lyrics. Anyway,
Sir, kapag nagbibigyan pa ng opportunity, bibigyan niyo po siya ng isang revival songs na.
yeah, why not? Kung if tingin natin bagay sa present market, gano'n naman ito. So, kumbaga, parang pinakuli yung kanta. So, we do a revival, which is medyo fresh yung treatment at saka arrangement.
Shane, can you give us some brief background of yours doon sa
Canada.
Sa Canada?
Toronto ba kayo? Toronto.
Doon ka ba pinanganak or dito ka pinanganak tapos nag-migrate kayo, doon na kayo residency, doon ka nag-aaral, anong course or?
I was born and raised in Canada po. We came here for vacations, sometimes Christmas, and now I'm here again for this media launch.
Shane, alam mo ba, niready na ng ating spinner yung Till My Heart Breaks.
Nice!
May lyrics pa yan.
A very rare chance for everyone to win.
Are you willing to try?
Actually po, can I try the Forever's Not Enough?
Okay.
Forever is not
I know that
enough.
one.
Mali yung nilagay mong -1.
Always ready. Okay.
Si Paul lagi ready yan eh. Matikas yan.
Okay. Let's just wait for it. Okay. Perfect. Once again, everyone, Forever's Not Enough by Shane.